Hello, this is Ross from Car Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're in Plam Harbor and we are on the second day of a two-car garage. So this this garage had no expansion joints, but it had a couple major cracks that we chased out, brushed them out, then we put in our epoxy compound. Today we're going to grind it all back down and neaten it up. I'm always working on getting the baseboard trim in. This garage is going to have baseboards, which always adds a really nice look to the floor. In this instance, the customer removed the hot water heater. Okay, we got the top coat down. We're packing up. This is a two-car full chip. Color of this chip is Orbit. So the customer had the baseboards put in. These are the full chip baseboards. So this is an aliphatic urethane top coat, which will not yellow or scratch. So this is a full diamond grind repairs, full chip job, which then gets our written lifetime warranty. Put a lot of detail into the edge to make sure that that lasts the life of the garage. And we're in Plam Harbor. Another beautiful Florida day.